Hi, in front of me is LG K62 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard's theme on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down, choose System over here and tap on Language and Keyboard. Then choose Manage Keyboards and select your currently used keyboard, in my case keyboard. Now go into Theme and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. From here you can select the photo that you want to apply by clicking on it, pinching it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, click Next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap Done. Lastly, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them on or off and choose Apply. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!